Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have two types of news, not good or bad. We have good news and we have annoying news. Good news is about a new bank from the US, from the top 5. Annoying news is about the senator who stopped the amendment or the modification of the cryptocurrency tax bill. Let's talk about that. Before we start, the usual, use a VPN because it's safer if you want to get in contact with me, Twitter or Discord. If you have questions, if you seek guidance or anything regarding crypto, use the Discord server because we are more people there, and if I don't answer immediately, then somebody else will help you. That's why we are building this community. You would do me a huge favor if you would subscribe and would smash the like button because you help me triggering the YouTube algorithm. That's how my videos will reach more and more people. That's how the channel will evolve, and I would truly appreciate your help in this. Now we are here at the Bitcoin chart, and yesterday we took a small trip below the 200-day moving average, which was I wouldn't say scary, but I was thinking that is the correction coming? Because right now we have this very nice growth. We are above the 200-day moving average. It seems that it is a support and it's not giving up. That is very good. That is very good, but also we have some new resistance or setbacks coming up, and that is the CME gap. As you can see, the CME gap is between the 46,700 and the 48,300. Usually Bitcoin closes these CME gaps, but there are exceptions, couple of exceptions, so that could mean that we won't close it, or hopefully we will close it by going up. Nevertheless, we have a resistance here in the Fibonacci retracement, and as you can see, it stopped the price twice already. That's why I am suspecting that a correction will come, because it would be a healthy price movement to retrace a bit and then just attack again. Now regarding Ethereum is continuously growing and it doesn't really have any resistance up until the 3,600s. That is obviously very good. Nevertheless, the gas prices are shooting out, and this time not on DeFi's, this time on NFTs. Yesterday I also bought another coin, Exceed Me, that is gaming NFT, and I paid around $10 or $15 gas fee for a transaction of $200-300, which is a bit high. So I'm really hoping that Elrond will release Maiar HeroTag as soon as possible, because I think these gas fees are just outrageous, and yeah, I'm a bit sick of them, because if I just calculate for the 4 or 5 coins I bought on Uniswap, I can say with confidence that I paid at least $150 only on gas fees, and I didn't even invest that much. It's around $1,500 or $2,000. So yeah, that's a lot. I think that's a lot. 5%, it's a lot for gas free. Elrond is at 142. It's growing nicely. It didn't stop. The next resistance from my perspective is at around 150, and that is also the price target for this W or symmetrical triangle. I got a question, I got the same question twice from one of you in the comments. It's about a short, which is in minus, obviously, because the price is growing, and what this certain person should do. Well, I cannot tell you for certainty when the price will turn around. The only thing I can tell you is where are the resistances, where are some turning points where we have supports, and as you can see, in many times they don't really matter. So yes, a correction should come, because yeah, we are growing since the 21st of July. All the altcoins had a huge move. I mean, look at Orn, for example. Orn is just doesn't want to stop. If we go forward, Cardano, for the news that the smart contracts are coming, also went from 1.5 to 1.8. But I could also mention Swipe XSP, which went from 2.4 to 3.3 in a matter of 3 days. So it's very hard to say when the turning point is coming, what will happen. Right now it seems that every altcoin just had a bounce, but there are two things. One is that they are reaching their resistance points. The second one is that it's the 11th of the month, and usually from between 10 and 15th until the end of the month, the prices go sideways or go down. That is my experience. Therefore, right now I have a couple of day trading coins. For example, I have ALGO, and I will tell you in a second why I invest in ALGO and in a Terra Virtual coin. But I will take them out today. I'm in a very small profit, couple of percentage, but I will take them out because the middle of the month is coming. So let's see how I buy coins. Usually when you see something like this with OR, you want to buy, obviously, because it's going up and you have the feeling that it will go to the all-time high. Well, also usually when after you buy, it starts to go down and you have the feeling that I am the unluckiest man in the world. Now, the reason I bought ALGO and TVK, it's not because I know these, of course I know these projects, but right now the altcoins tend to shoot out one by one, okay, almost randomly. Therefore, I don't buy, for example, Polygon, which already went up. I don't buy Yearn Finance, that already went up, but still until this indicator, until this resistance, there is still room to grow. I don't buy Swipe because it just went up a lot, and there is a possibility that it will go even further, but there is a bigger probability that it will turn around and consolidate. So I bought ALGO and TVK because they did not shoot out as much, or they already consolidated, as you can see here, and another big green candle is very probable. It's the same with ALGO or Elrond. Elrond did not. After the fall, it only went sideways. Therefore, I am expecting it to go and, I don't know, gain a 10% as the other did before I close this deal. So this is how you don't FOMO. This is how you buy something and wait for it to grow. Obviously, you shouldn't wait too much if you do day trading, because in a matter of time the market could turn around. And as you can see, if Bitcoin reaches this resistance level again, let's say it tries out and goes even further, and then with a correction comes back to the 42 or 45,000, then these small altcoins, which maybe didn't even move, they can come back even further and you might be in minus. So this is always the risk. This is never off the table. But when you buy something which didn't move yet, but the others did, you have a bigger chance for the gain than with those who already shoot out with 20-30%. Hope it's clear for everybody. And as I said, if you have questions, if you seek, I don't know, guidance or anything, write on the Discord server, because we are many people there and everybody is trying to help each other. It doesn't mean that only I can give you an advice. Maybe there is somebody else who has a better idea than me. The fact that I have a YouTube channel doesn't mean that I'm the smartest in the room. The news. Venmo enables users to automatically buy crypto with cashback. Now this is very important. If somebody doesn't know what is cashback, it's the cash you get back after your purchase. For example, I have a card which has a 2-3% rebate every time I use it in the UK ASDA. And Venmo, when you people, I don't know, buy stuff with it, also has this small percentage, and that rebate, that cashback can be used to buy crypto. And it's very, very funny and very good, because the cashback is almost like a gift, right? Because you wanted to spend it, you got it back, you didn't spend it. It's not even like an investment. And that could enable millions of microtransactions, millions of micro crypto investments from people around the states, and yeah, that is something I really like to hear. Now the annoying news. So as you can remember, the tax bill, which is very complicated and very conservative for crypto, there is still chance that it's gonna be modified, but yeah, it's let's say less chance. Every step it takes, there is less chance that it's gonna be modified. Now the text summarized that everybody who is a miner or who is a node owner needs to report to the IRS what transactions happened in his court, for let's say, and to provide names and addresses and dates. So it's absolutely impossible. It was voted and written, this law, by people who don't know anything about crypto. And the funny thing is that there was an ease up. Okay, senators who are pro crypto, who want to live with this opportunity for the US to be, let's say, a big player. It is a big player, but to really grow this potential, they wanted to modify it. They wanted to ease it up a bit so people wouldn't leave the states, and they almost succeeded to modify it. It was just one vote which rejected it, and that was the reason it went forward. And that one vote wasn't because crypto, wasn't because security concerns, wasn't because money laundering. It wasn't even related to crypto. Allegedly, Senator Richard Shelby voted against because he didn't get the extra $50 billion US funding for the army. And the senator, he's an 87 years old senator who will retire next year. Now just put this into perspective. The crypto tax bill would enter and would be applied from 2023, in 2 years, and the senator will retire next year. And I think this is the most awful thing in politics. This is a power play for us. This is about being angry at each other and getting revenge on each other just because. It doesn't really matter how many people are hurt. Let's get personal revenges. Okay, sorry about going on and on with this. Let's go for the good news. PNC Bank, which is the 5th largest bank in the US, they are planning to add crypto, to offer crypto with Coinbase. Obviously, they saw that Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, everybody is succeeding. Probably they saw that they are making profits with it, and now they just gave in, or their wealthy clients said that you either implement cryptocurrency in your offerings or we go to the other banks. So yeah, these guys also, let's say, a bit dinosaurs, but at least the clients have some leverage on them, and since they want to keep their clients, they will add crypto to their offering, and that is the best. So this is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and see you tomorrow.